Comedones. What are comedones? Comedones are clogged hair follicles, pores, in the skin. Appearing as small, flesh-colored bumps, whiteheads, also known as closed comedones. Or dark spots, blackheads, also known as open comedones. They are a primary form of non-inflammatory acne, caused by excess oil, sebum, and dead skin cells, typically appearing on the forehead and chin. Why are they called comedones? The word comedo, plural, comedones, comes from the Latin word commedia, which means to eat up. Historically, this term was used for a surprising and somewhat graphic reason: worm-like appearance. In ancient and medical history, the term was originally used to describe parasitic worms that were thought to eat up the body. Visual metaphor. When medical professionals observed the material expressed from a clogged pore, which often emerges in a long, thin, coiled shape, they noted its resemblance to these gluttonous worms. Modern adoption. Over time, the name was transferred from the literal worms to the skin lesions themselves, because of this visual similarity. What causes comedones? Comedones are caused by the blockage of hair follicles, by a mixture of excess sebum, natural skin oil, and dead skin cells. This buildup creates a plug that obstructs the pore, resulting in a small bump. Depending on whether the pore remains open or closed, it forms a blackhead, open comedone, or a whitehead, closed comedone. What are the types of comedones? Comedones are classified primarily by whether the pore is open or closed, but they can also be categorized by size, cause, and specific clinical patterns. Primary types are open comedones, blackheads. The pore remains open, exposing the trapped sebum and dead skin cells to air. This causes the melanin pigment to oxidize, turning the plug black or dark brown. Closed comedones, whiteheads. The follicle is completely blocked and covered by a thin layer of skin. Because the contents are not exposed to air, they appear as small, flesh-colored or white bumps.